Think before you speak. Mastering the art of thinking before speaking. The ability to think before speaking is a skill that can significantly impact personal and professional relationships. In today's fast-paced world, where instant reactions are common, honing this skill is more crucial than ever. When one speaks without thoughtful consideration, misunderstandings, conflicts, and unintended consequences can arise. To improve this skill, several key strategies can be employed. Mindful presence and active listening. First and foremost, developing a mindful presence is essential. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, which can help in controlling impulsive reactions. It allows individuals to acknowledge their thoughts and emotions without immediately reacting to them. Moreover, actively listening to others can aid in formulating more thoughtful responses. When we genuinely listen, we absorb information, gain perspective, and can better tailor our responses to suit the situation. Cultivating self-awareness. Self-awareness is fundamental in the process of thinking before speaking. Understanding one's own triggers, biases, and emotional responses is key. Engaging in practices such as journaling or self-reflection can aid in recognizing patterns in one's behavior, thus allowing for more conscious communication. Embracing empathy and understanding perspectives. Empathy is a crucial aspect of thoughtful communication. It involves putting oneself in someone else's shoes, understanding their viewpoint, emotions, and experiences. By doing so, one can tailor their words to be more considerate, leading to more effective and empathetic communication. Harnessing the power of pause. Often, the simple act of pausing before speaking can make a world of difference. This pause provides a moment to collect thoughts, consider the impact of words, and decide on the most appropriate response. The pause could be a breath, a count to 3, or a moment of reflection, whatever duration allows for more considered communication. Practicing effective communication skills. Improving communication skills, including articulation and vocabulary, contributes to better pre-thought dialogue. By enhancing language skills, individuals can express themselves more accurately, minimizing misunderstandings and the need for impulsive clarifications. Seeking continuous improvement. Improving the art of thinking before speaking is an ongoing journey. Regular self-assessment, seeking feedback, and a commitment to personal growth are essential. Each interaction presents an opportunity to practice and refine this skill. In conclusion, the ability to think before speaking is a valuable skill that can be developed through mindfulness, self-awareness, empathy, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Mastering this skill can enhance relationships, reduce misunderstandings, and foster a more positive and respectful communication environment.